Now, what I want to ask you about here is how many times does an individual's behavior get pushed into a performance problem when in fact it might be an element of diversity? Diversity of thought, diversity of style, even something as simple around how a meeting should be facilitated or what the job of a manager is. That manager's supposed to tell me what to do. Person A says, person B says, that manager better never tell me what to do. I'm autonomous. And I can fill in the continuum all along that. How many times do we judge a person's behavior based on an element of diversity and we force it into the box of a performance problem because it smacks against what we think is good, true, and right about the world?
We focus on diversity and inclusion for domestic efforts here in the United States and global business communications, all in an effort to enhance leadership, team building, and enhanced workplace performance. What does diversity and inclusion have to do with an ostrich? It could be a large, swift, running, flightless bird, or it could be one that tries to avoid disagreeable situations by refusing to face them. So our friend the ostrich can run its tail feathers off and flap until it flops, but it can never take flight. When it comes to diversity and inclusion issues, neither can we. All the running, hiding, and avoidance, aka the ostrich approach, it's not going to change what's going on around us. Well, the image of an ostrich burying its head in the sand is based on myth rather than fact. It's the perfect icon to depict the many avoidance tactics that we use to deal with the tough stuff. Those tough issues that just won't go away because we refuse to look at them. This can be an invaluable resource for you. Hopefully both the course and the book are a little entertaining, and it'll give you a fun, practical, easy to follow 5-part model called the ostrich wheel. And this fun tool rules you along through the book, giving you data, insights, skills, abilities to help you again roll with the changes that are happening in today's world, both from a personal and a business perspective. In charge of diversity, equity, and inclusion as an initiative or in a practice, or if you're responsible for informing and educating others about inclusion, or if you just want to develop more personal knowledge and expertise, then jump right in. You can increase effectiveness in common cultural interactions using specific global communication strategies and ultimately minimize cultural misunderstandings. Overall, it will improve your effectiveness and enhance your reputation as a globally competitive organization. This course is designed to help you improve your global communication skills and think more strategically across values, behaviors, and cultural norms. More than tips and lists, this global effective course provides a solid foundation for identifying and understanding basic cultural values and behaviors, plus ways to build skills in global competence and cultural interactions. Both employees and managers alike will gain insights, strategies, and skills that can help minimize cultural misunderstandings and strengthen the outcomes of your global workplace.